This is a 1978 Ford F250. This same steering wheel was used on a lot of the F-150s of that era, on the Broncos, and on the Mustangs. So it's a fairly popular steering wheel. We do quite a few of these, and they came with either black leather on them or no leather at all. And this one came in, the spokes were all dirty and old, and we polished those up real nice, you can see. And then the leather, was just worn out and falling off. So we have replaced it, but the customer wanted to change it to a saddle leather with the new interior that he's doing. So we matched up to his interior, and this is the results that we've got after our transformation. So any steering wheel in the world, we do it here at Craft Customs. Just reach out to us at craftcustoms.com or give us a call at 214-564-1170 and visit that website where you'll see thousands of pictures by make and model of the different vehicles that we've done over the last 35 years. So we look forward to working with you.